Flooding is ongoing between Piedmont and the Aosta Valley, with water channels overflowing due to strong storms. Over the past few hours, 149 millimeters of rain has fallen in Nosca and 91 millimeters in Cone. The situation is most critical in the Orco, Soana, and Lanzo valleys, where torrents have overflowed, leading to critical alerts in isolated towns. The rain is expected to continue throughout the night, and floods of the main rivers in the Cone Valley have been recorded. The functional center of the Aosta Valley reports that this meteorological phenomenon will not end before the early hours of tomorrow. A town is already isolated due to a landslide that occurred a few hours ago. Debris flows have occurred along 5 gullies, and the flooding of the Valmonte stream has been recorded in amateur videos on social media, showing strong currents damaging cars. The hydrogeological alert in the Gran Paradiso Valley has been increased from yellow to orange. In Switzerland, a new disaster has struck Zermatt, where a powerful storm caused flooding last night, just 8 days after the previous disaster. Heavy rain has caused flooding in Switzerland in recent days. Videos from Zermatt show that the flood level has even exceeded that of a week ago. From the Saltina estuary to Lake Geneva, there is a risk of flooding, as Alert Suisse and Meteo Suisse have reported. After heavy rain in the Upper Valais, the water level is rising rapidly. Authorities urge people to avoid going near the water, as high tides can occur unexpectedly. The federal government has issued a Level 4 danger alert for parts of the Ticino region, warning of major dangers due to thunderstorms coming from the south. Larger branches may break, trees can fall, and lightning strikes and hail damage can occur. In addition, steep slopes could collapse, or tidal waves could occur in rivers. Warnings of flooding have been issued in the canton of Ticino, in Pratognico, and the Maggia Valley. People living near rivers are asked to leave their homes and seek shelter on higher ground. Caution is also advised in Piano de Pecha. According to the alarm service, flooding is occurring or expected in Val Verzasca, Val Lavazzara, and Val Maggia. Authorities warn against entering basements or underground parking lots if there is a risk of flooding, and against driving cars or bicycles on flooded roads. Bodies of water prone to flooding should also be avoided, as tidal waves can catch people by surprise and banks can fail. As of midnight, there were 2 thunderstorm centers in Switzerland, one between Lake Geneva and Lake Neuchâtel, and the other over Valais and Ticino. The rainfall is expected to move from southern Switzerland to the north and east. Heavy rain also affected the mountainous section of the Furka Railway. The railway company shared on social media how the route above Oberwald was buried by debris flow. According to the Federal Road Office, the section of the route between Riedbrigg and the Simplon Pass will remain closed until further notice due to a debris flow that occurred on Saturday around 16:30 near the Engelach Gallery. Météo Suisse gave a preliminary assessment of the lightning strikes recorded in the Alps, observing more than 10,000. The weather agency also warned of strong foehn winds to thunderstorms in the central and eastern foothills of the Alps, with strong winds possibly reaching the Central Highlands. Due to exceptional weather conditions, the canton of Neuchâtel has withdrawn all permits for outdoor events from 14 o'clock Saturday to 8 o'clock Sunday. Particular attention is also paid to the Rhône River, whose alert level has been raised to 4 out of 5.
Questa è la palestra, l'indoor. C'è acqua dappertutto, filtra anche dai muri. Guardate, situazione, i sacconi dell'asta, tutto a mano, tutto sott'acqua.